Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. So before we go ahead and dive in, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like this video so you don't miss out on any more future unboxings. So now we will just go ahead and dive in here. I just got this in the mail a few hours ago. So here is what the inside looks like. I see a card. Please don't be misleading. Oh, what do you know? It is. There's nothing, no information on this. This is like a chance to win $1,000. You can follow Ipsy, blah, blah, blah. There's how to enter if you want to do that. Annoying. Okay, so first thing I see on top here is this. This is by Ciate London. Some marbled metals. Also, excuse my makeup today. I know it's looking kind of horrible. I've redone my lipstick like 3 times, so it's kind of everywhere, and I'm just not having a good makeup day, you guys, like at all. So yeah, here's this. This is pretty. I like the packaging. It is, ooh, it's really pretty. It smells weird. Typically I don't really care for single eyeshadows, but this one looks really pretty and I really want to swatch it. Ooh. Yes, that is so pretty. Okay, I have to make it like, I have to use this, so I'm going to definitely make myself use that because that is really, really pretty. I really like that. Okay. So far, so good. Next thing, this is by Flesh. I have never tried anything by Flesh Cosmetics. Flesh to Flesh highlighting powder, the shade 310 Jump. It looks like it's going to be kind of like a rose goldy color. Ooh, I don't really love the packaging. It's kind of big and bulky. It's pretty though. Oh, nice mirror. And it is not a pinky color at all. Very, very soft. Kind of on the more subtle side, which is not usually my vibe, but like that's fine. I don't really have anything that subtle. So, you know, it's always good to have. What is this? Because I'm curious. These look like face masks. They are definitely Korean, I would say. Jejeon Cosmetics. Wake Pure Shisho Calming Mask. Oh, there's more in here. There's like 3 in here. Okay, that's kind of cool. What do we have? We've got a Wake Pure Shisho Calming Mask. We've got a Wake Pure, oh, I'm assuming Wake Pure is the brand or the line, Sea Berry Brightening Mask, and an Avocado Nourishing Mask. That's fun. I like sheet masks. Oh, there's more in here. Looks like we get doubles, I would say, because this one we have a repeat of, so I'm going to assume they're doubles. So let's double check just to make sure. Yeah, the calming, brightening, and nourishing. So we get 6 masks in here. That's pretty good. Here is the bag. Not my most favorite bag ever, but it's cute. I like the background color. It's like a mint green, the yellow zipper, and then, yeah, just the yellow zipper, and it's got like some ladies laying out on some beach towels, so that's cute. This is the Pacific Fresh Herb Origin Eye Cream with calendula. I don't know how to say that. It's an eye cream. Are you cruelty free? I don't know if those face masks are cruelty free either. I didn't see anything that said they are, but then again, most of this is in Korean. I'm assuming it's Korean. If it's not, excuse me. Yeah, it doesn't say that it's cruelty free. I'll have to look into this. Oh yeah, made in Korea, so it is Korean. This is also made in Korea. I don't see anything that says if it's cruelty free or not. So we will look into it. If not, I'll like give it to my mom or something, because we are going to test it on the back of my hand. I'm just like thrown off today with filming because I haven't filmed in like 4 days, and then I'm using like a different little holder right now for my phone, and I feel like it's a weird angle and my makeup's off. It's just not a good day for me. This is the Herb Fresher by Cream. It's a nice size bottle. There's a seal on it. Nothing's coming out. There we go. Ooh, stringy. Can't really smell anything. Feels nice, feels moisturizing. Okay. Not mad at it, but not my most favorite thing in the world. Okay, what's left in here? One last thing. This is by Arceli. This is the Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner in the shade Coffee or Cafe. This is made in Germany. This doesn't say if it's cruelty free either. I feel like this is weird that there's not packaging for this. Oh, it's a nice dark chocolatey brown, coffee brown eyeliner, so that's cool, I guess. Yeah, that's everything. Okay, let's do a quick little recap. The eyeliner I'm okay with. Like, it's not the most exciting thing in the world, but I've never heard of this brand, so I'm gonna have to look up all of these things pretty much. So that's cool. The masks I'm excited about. Like, I like that we got 6. I would be bummed if we only got like 1, because that would be not cool, but getting 6 is kind of awesome. So that's cool. And again, I'm gonna have to see if they're cruelty free. Same with the eye cream. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look that up too, but not my most favorite thing in the world, but I'm okay with it. The highlighter, I'm excited to try a new brand, and I think it's gonna be nice. It's definitely a subtle highlight, but that's okay. This is something I'm probably the most excited about. I really think that eyeshadow is pretty, and I'm very, very excited to use this. So, I don't like the bag. So, just being honest. That's it. That was a quick video. I think this is the fastest Ipsy unboxing I've ever done. Of course, I couldn't get through a video without dropping something, but one last overlook, and that's everything. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future unboxings, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.